Hello cadets, our lecture topic is India-Sri Lanka relations. India and Sri Lanka share a deep-rooted connection due to their geographical proximity and historical, cultural and political ties. Their relationship is characterized by cooperation as well as challenges shaped by evolving geopolitical dynamics, ethnic issues and economic interactions. Talking about historical and cultural ties. First, ancient connections. India and Sri Lanka have shared cultural ties for over 2 millennia. The spread of Buddhism from India to Sri Lanka during Emperor Asoka's time forms a vital part of this relationship. Buddhist sites in India like Bodh Gaya hold great significance for Sri Lankans. The Tamil community in Sri Lanka traces its origins to South India, highlighting shared linguistic and cultural heritage. Second, colonial era. Both nations were under British colonial rule, and this period shaped modern political and social dynamics. Large scale migration of Tamil laborers from India to Sri Lanka during this era laid the foundation for future ethnic tensions. Talking about economic relations. First, trade and investment. India is one of the Sri Lanka's largest trading partners, with bilateral trade exceeding $5 billion in recent years. The India-Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement, signed in 1998, has boosted economic exchanges. Key exports include petroleum products, automobiles, pharmaceuticals, and textiles. Second, Indian investments. Indian companies have invested in sectors like energy, tourism, retail, and infrastructure in Sri Lanka. Major Indian projects include the construction of Trincomalee oil tank farm and power generation projects. Third, tourism. Tourism is a major area of cooperation. A significance of Indian tourists visit Sri Lanka annually, and Sri Lankans also visit India for religious and medical tourism. Talking about development assistance. First, reconstruction and rehabilitation. Post Civil War, India has contributed significantly to rebuilding efforts in Sri Lanka, particularly in modern northern and eastern provinces. Projects include housing schemes, educational institutions, and hospitals. Second, humanitarian aid. During Sri Lanka's economic crisis in 2022, India extended assistance worth over $4 billion, including credit lines for essential imports like fuel and medicine. Talking about ethnic and political issues. First, Tamil question. The issue of Tamil rights in Sri Lanka has been a long standing challenge in bilateral relations. India has supported the implementation of the 13th Amendment to Sri Lanka's constitution, which seeks to grant greater autonomy to Tamil majority provinces. Second, Indian peacekeeping efforts. During Sri Lanka's civil war 1983 to 2009, India sent the Indian peacekeeping force under the 1987 Indo-Sri Lanka Accord to mediate between the Sri Lankan government and the LTTE. The mission faced criticism and strained relations for a period. Talking about strategic and geopolitical importance. First, maritime security. Sri Lanka's location in the Indian Ocean is critical for India's maritime security and trade routes. The two countries collaborate on initiatives like the Colombo Security Conclave, which includes discussions on counter-terrorism, piracy, and disaster management. Second, Chinese influence. China's growing presence in the Sri Lanka, particularly through its Belt and Road Initiative, has raised concerns in India. Projects like Hambantota Port and Colombo Port City signify China's strategic investments, which India views as a challenge to its sphere of influence in the Indian Ocean region. Now, recent developments. First, economic collaboration. In 2023, India and Sri Lanka explored new areas of cooperation, including renewable energy, solar and wind projects, and digital connectivity. Talks on upgrading the existing FTA into a comprehensive economic partnership agreement are ongoing. Second, infrastructure projects. India is developing connectivity projects like ferry service between Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka to strengthen people to people ties. Collaboration on rebuilding the Kanke Santhurai port and modernizing railway infrastructure has been significant. Third, defense cooperation. India and Sri Lanka conduct joint naval exercises like SLINEX to enhance maritime security cooperation. India has also provided defense equipment and training to Sri Lankan armed forces. Now, challenges in the relationship. First, fishermen issue. Frequent clashes occur between India and Sri Lanka fishermen in the Pak state due to allegations of illegal fishing. This remains a contentious issue. Second, ethnic reconciliation. India continues to urge Sri Lanka to implement measures for Tamil reconciliation, but progress has been slow. Third, balancing China's role. India's effort to counter China's growing footprint in Sri Lanka require consistent engagement, diplomacy, and economic investment. Conclusion. India-Sri Lanka relations are a blend of deep-rooted historical ties and modern strategic imperatives. While that relationship is generally friendly, sensitive issues like ethnic reconciliation, fishermen disputes, and external influences require careful management. Going forward, India's neighborhood first policy and Sri Lanka's need for economic stability offer opportunity to strengthen their partnership. Sustained cooperation in trade, development, and security can ensure mutual prosperity and regional stability. Thank you.